Today I'm going to try and make some side table type things for the couches out in the lounge. There's not enough space for coffee tables properly, so I want to make these little things that will slide in underneath the couches and we'll have a little platform on top. So let's give it a crack. The idea is I'll use the plywood for the base and maybe the top. I've still got a couple MDF sheets floating around, or at least some offcuts down there. That'll be ideal, and I'll use those pallet slats there for the upright. Let's get into it. That's going to be the upright. Now I thought if I used my hole saws and these, I could cut like a circle and have little rounded brackets to try and help keep it supported nice and strong. So we'll give that a nudge now, eh? Right, so this was just a legitimate scrap that was just left over from the thing in the vanity video, and I reckon it's going to be bloody ideal. I'll have it something like that. Right, so the MDF square that I put on the top looked a little silly and didn't really match, so I've made another double plywood thingy that I'll shave down and make look pretty now, and then hopefully it should be done. Sweet.